Parkside battle. Today, guys, we have a Parkside battle between the epoch drill and the cordless drill. Hello, guys, and yes, this is the true. Today we have a battle between those two Parkside 20-volt batteries. I think the same motor inside. This one, it is an epoch drill, but this is only a cordless drill. Let's start. I'm going to put it this and drill mode, the same, and drill mode, both of them, and I'm going to connect it with this. Oh yeah, very strong chuck. And let's connect them. This is the merit, and let's see who is going to take some fire from the motor. It needs power to hold these monsters. Let's do it again. Do I hear some noises inside? Let's try them. One gear, this is for screwing. I think that's more powerful. Something it smells. Oh, here it is. It's getting some smoke from the cordless drill. Oh, it's smoking. Oh, fuck. Ooh, this is nasty. Ooh. Where's the powerful? You see any smoke? Yeah, see them coming out. See the smoke? Ah, here it is. I think I have just break it. Yeah. See how much it will go. I see some noises inside. Ooh. Okay, I think we're the oh man, I know. We're the winner. Woohoo! Yeah! Smoke, where is smoke? Oh, that was nice. I think we got a fire here. Oh, fuck. It's hot. And this one is very hot. Woo! Oh. That's a nasty one. Woo! And that's how he's dying a cordless drill from Parkside vs his own brother, cousin Parkside. Not doing anything. Oh, fucking fire! Woo! No resistance. And that is very hot, but not smoke, no smoke, no fire. That's a very big and nice impact drill. Very strong. He has some power, I can tell. And the batteries, of course, are very hot. And I think, guys, with all that, ooh, very hot. I think we have a conclusion. The winner is the impact drill from Parkside, the cordless impact drill. Yeah, baby. Give your best. Fuck me, sucker. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like or dislike my videos, your choice. But definitely share this video. You never know who may need it, who may laugh with that. Thank you again. Have a nice and lovely day. Adios.